Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I'll be showing you how to connect your Bloom to your crypto wallet for withdrawal. So the first thing you do is to open your Blum Airdrop. When you open it, you go to this place written wallet and click on it. So when you click on wallet, as you can see, it's written leveling up. Connect your wallet to access upcoming crypto features. Our team is working hard to bring them to you soon. So you click on connect wallet here. When you click on it, to bring out a series of wallets that you can use to connect your Bloom. So but the two I'll be recommending in this video are Tonkeeper and BitGet wallet. This is Tonkeeper here, and then this is BitGet. So but for the sake of this video I'll be using Tonkeeper. So you click on Tonkeeper here to open the Tonkeeper app. When it opens the Tonkeeper app, wait for it to load. So it will bring out this stuff here. This connects to telegram.bloom.codes. Bloom is requesting access to your wallet address, then enable notifications. So you can choose to enable notifications here if you want. So then you now click on connect wallet. Click on connect wallet here and enter your passcode. So for the sake of this video I'll be pausing it now to enter my passcode. So I've entered my passcode and it has connected. So once you enter your passcode, you'll be able to connect it. So as you can see, it's written active here. That means my wallet has been successfully connected. So to also confirm that your wallet has been successfully connected, you open the Tonkeeper app to check. So this is the Tonkeeper app here. So the first thing you do is to go to browser here. Browser here. When you go to browser, you click on it. And then go to connected here. When you click on connected, as you can see, Bloom is successfully connected here on the Tonkeeper wallet. So you will see a series of other airdrops that is successfully connected on this particular place. So that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure you like this video, subscribe and turn on bell notification. Thanks for watching, guys.